Welcome to the video tutorial of Digital Purchase Order. In this video, I'm going to show you how to approve purchase orders. First, click on the Approval List button located in the middle. This approval list is your personal to-do list. You will only see POs here if you are next in line to approve. Therefore, you can't miss any PO and accidentally let someone wait to get the approval. If you click on a PO, on the left side you will see the approval chain of your purchase order. In the middle section, you are able to see who ordered the PO. If you click on the name, you are also able to send a direct email to that person. On the upper right side, you can find all supplier information. Below, you are able to see the items of the purchase order request. If you have the right to enter account numbers, you can do that here. After you have reviewed all information, you can add a comment and then decide whether you want to approve or decline. If there are previous comments, you are able to read them here. Let's decide to approve that purchase order here. After you have received the confirmation, the system brings you back to your approval list. As you can see, you now have one less item in your to-do list. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to also check our other video tutorials.